Everyone, looking at Bitcoin chart, and this is the daily time frame, and we are looking at a very fascinating pattern. This was the trend line back in December 2022, and it retests. Now this trend line started a support on the trend line. This was December 2022, and it came all the way and held this support here in September 2023, and also retest on this trend line in October 2023. Now anytime from the beginning of this trend line here, anytime it touches the trend line, it makes a bold move, and anytime it retests, it also makes a bold move away from the trend line. So from there we understand that it's time to create like a pattern for us to understand that this trend line is a very strong support zone. So here now we are at this level here, which is November 2025. That's 4th November 2025, and we have not touched it fully. But one other thing that we are seeing also again is the all-time high of Bitcoin, December 2024, and in January 2025. Now Bitcoin came crashing down due to US tariff in April 2025, and we moved to all-time high. Came down, we retest, and we moved higher to the 124, 125 region. Now if you look this thing, we will say that this is trying to form a horizontal zone. Now a horizontal zone means this is like it's creating a support, a horizontal support also above the all-time high. You see the all-time high here, which there was a false breakout, came down, false breakout, came down, crashing, and now we came back up. We retest this support here, 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 with this support here. Now we came back and we're trying to retest this support, which is also correlating with this other trend line support. So if we as we're here now, we might range maybe up to this zone, or we can just move higher depending on how the market reacts. And from here we'll be heading to 300k. My base case is 300 $1,000 per Bitcoin. Now but if you look at here, it's 324, but around that region, that's where we'll see Bitcoin reach its all-time high. This is gonna be epic. It's a parabolic move. um Bitcoin is gonna go bananas, like it's gonna go very fast, very fast upward movement. Looking at the 1 week time frame, we're going to move very fast, because you see anytime we touched it, we move very fast. So we're going to have something like this, very epic, up to the 300k region. And why we are very bold in our prediction or analysis or forecast is because when you look at the dollar index has started dropping. The dollar index, as this is the 1 week time frame, let's go to the daily time frame. See, the daily time frame is showing us that this was a top, this is the double, this is the first top, and this is the second top. Now it's showing us a double top, that dollar is going to go down. Now if you look at the RSI, it's showing us that this is way overbought. and we need to come down. So Bitcoin is headed for 300k. So I would like you to start accumulating your coins. There's no need to panic. That's why I didn't shoot any video, because I didn't see any cause for alarm. Those are just normal market reaction that happened in the October 10th. Those are just market reaction. That's why I don't really post videos all the times, because I want you to get the big picture. We are in a bull market, and this is the final phase of the bull market, which will lead Bitcoin to 300k, and so many auto coins, alternative coins are going parabolic. I mean parabolic. In 2 months you see what is going to happen to the crypto market. Is going to go crazy. So, and our base case or our target for the US dollar index is the 89.601 zone, because here is a strong support that has been supporting this trend line since 2000, and this was in 2011. This was 2011, and from 2011 June, April 2011, we started holding this trend line up until 2021 May, in June 2021, where the dollar started going up and the crypto market started crashing. So that's it for this analysis. Bitcoin is headed higher. The US dollar is about to crash. So I would like you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.